Yes. Ito yung gasoline station nila dito. So, you just put the money and then, yeah. Yung instruction naman is andyan. So, I think you keep holding it. So maganda kasi no need na no need na trabahante. Self-service lang. See? Pasok mo lang yung yung pera. Then charan! So tingnan natin kung full tank ba yung 100. Oopsie.
Full tank is only 2 liters.
So 2 liters lang pala. So what about, do you get change?
No,
oh, no,
you don't
96.
get change, but you know that it's next time we put 50, yeah?
So 90, ano yan, di ko maintindihan.
Full tank is less than 2 liters.
Oh, so kasi maliit
so
lang
next time maybe 70.
Yes.
Yeah?
You do it twice, 50 and then 20. I think that is the way. 70. Voila.
That's a full tank now. We're not gonna go really far with 2 liters. So we got the scooter for a month now. It's good. We found somewhere where they don't ask you for your passport, you know, so it's good. I got my
Don't tell it.
I cannot tell it. Okay.
Don't.
So I got my ID, which is out of date, so it's good.
From the Philippines.
From the Philippines, out of date for 1 year. It's a bit funny, but you know, it's super nice, and it's a bit more expensive than last year.
Yeah.
But everything seems to be more expensive than last year this year.
Yeah.
So you know, I guess everyone, it's everywhere. It's not only here, you know, and so we just have to cope.
Yes.
And you know, find the cheap meal somewhere.
Yes. You need to adapt.
We need to adapt. Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye. Are we gonna have lunch here?
I think we should have lunch at
The
place there.
yeah. Look, the tree is so good. Nice. We have that spring rolls.
So juicy.
Rev it.
Rev it.
He doesn't want to give it. He doesn't understand.
Big engine.